Okay, babes and boos, let's go ahead and complete this basket. All right, you guys. So we do have our little teddy in place. We have our little water bottle, which was only, like I said, 10 cents. Maybe it was a penny to you. So right now we're at 3.25. That was 10, 3.35, 30 cents to me, 3.36. These were two for these little cute little, I thought these were super cute. Two for 75 cents at your CVS. I haven't seen them anywhere else. A little swirly pops. So we'll say that's 35 cents each. So where are we at? Almost $3.90. $3.90. Little candy hearts are $1.25 in the pack. You guys, we're going to fill those in. Fill them as fillers. As many as we can. Sweet tarts. These were a penny. I got these at Halloween. Yes, I did. Halloween penny items, honey. You can't go wrong. And they're still good. All right, same with the Fusion Dum Dums. Does not say Halloween anywhere on these. These were a penny as well. So where are we at? $3.91, $3.92. Almost at $4. You can fill these in as needed. Fill them in. Just fill them in, you guys. Super cute. Take that out. It's just a quick little batch. You guys can always do these a little different. I'm just using what I got. So you don't got to go out and buy a whole lot. Let's stick these in a little. These are a little neater. I don't want them rolling around. And I wanted too many lollipops because we already had this big lollipop here. Okay, let's do one. We have some in the back. Let's do one here to keep that in place. I see that's trying to roll around. All right, you guys. Okay. Let's play around with this a little more because I want that a little more elevated. So we're going to take the hearts out. I want all this at the same level. The shreds, okay, guys, shreds are $1 at Dollar General. They may be at the $1.25 store. So close. You know how the $1.25 store is, guys. You may not find them. Also, Family Dollar has the large clear bags. Large clear bags, 2 for $1. The baskets, you know, these are $2.50 at the Dollar General. Okay, Family Dollar has them 2 for the $1. Those were 2 for the $2.50, and then, like I said, Family Dollar has them 2 for $1, which is a really good deal. Shreds are $1 at the Family Dollar. You can't beat that. Okay, and they also were $1 at Dollar General. Okay, good mix around. All right, let's finish this up, you guys. All right, let's keep this how we got it. Stick it in. This will hold it in place now that we have a little more filler. Thank you, cameraman. You're doing an awesome and amazing job. Okay. We have some more candy hearts. And you guys can add them another little toy if you like to. Add more little stickers if you like. Add another, you know, little small little bear or something like that if you like. Because some children, you know, some families don't like them with all that candy. Even though it is Valentine's. I kind of limit my kids at Halloween and at Valentine's. You just because you got the candy, you don't need to eat the whole thing at once. So kind of mix it up. So we got the water bottle. We have the little puppy kitty, baby kitty. We have your bubbles.